Hello, my dear student. Welcome to the subject name is Environmental Science. Today we are going to discuss another topic that is a value education. And this is a lecture 72 of Unit 7. Today PPT has been made from this following book. You can go through this book for more detailed information. Now talking about the today topic that is a value education. So value education is expected to bring a new sustainable way of life. If we want to lead a new sustainable way of life, we need to have value education. As you know that education is a process of learning which continues throughout one life. It is a continuous process. Learning is a continuous process, and through the education we can achieve the learning process, and it enables to walk, know about the thing around us and communicate with one another, finally acquire means of living and lead a life. तो एजुकेशन हमें एक अच्छी लाइफ जीने में बहुत मदद करता है, एंड इट इज एजुकेशन नॉट ओनली विच फॉर्स द पैटर्न ऑफ राइट कंडक्ट एंड बिहेवियर लाइक right behavior like honesty, sincerity, integrity, and righteousness towards the family, society, and country at large. So, no education can be considered adequate if failed to inculcate these values among its subjects. So, in order to inculcate the values in a human being, we need some kind of education which is related to the value education. तो हमें ऐसे एजुकेशन की जरूरत है जिसमें हम वैल्यूज प्रोवाइड करें, वैल्यूज रिलेटेड टू इंटीग्रिटी, सिंसियरिटी, ऑनेस्टी, एंड it basically you can say that it's a way and principle and certain standard of behavior of an individual towards the and you can say that it towards the society, towards the individual, towards the family, towards their friends. And it is a basically a kind of, you can say it's a basically kind of values basically deal with the one own principles and standard from which we can judge what is wrong and what is wrong and what is wrong and right behavior. तो वैल्यूज से हमें पता चलता है किसी इंसान को अपने प्रिंसिपल एंड स्टैंडर्ड सेट करता है कि क्या सही है क्या गलत है. तो वैल्यू एजुकेशन में हमें पर्सन को, किसी इंडिविजुअल बीइंग को, उसको वैल्यू एजुकेट प्रोवाइड करना है कि वो इन्वायरमेंट से रिलेटेड क्या सही है क्या गलत है, उससे रिलेटेड स्टेप ले. तो थ्रू एन वैल्यू एजुकेशन वी गाइड द ह्यूमन बीइंग related to their values, and we can set their principles and standard so that they can judge what is wrong and right behavior. And you can say that education is basically a formal and informal process hota hai, formal and non formal process hota hai, which understanding the environmental, natural, cultural values, social justice, and human heritage, equitable use of the resources, managing common property uses, and causes of the ecological degradation. तो ये एजुकेशन के थ्रू हमें पता चलता है. एंड if we inculcate the value through the education in the person, अगर हम एजुकेशन के थ्रू किसी पर्सन में वैल्यूज को क्रिएट करते हैं, that is basically a value education. And value are the set of principles and standard of the behavior that are regarded as a desirable, and you can say that it is a right and wrong behavior of an particular right and do and don'ts के बारे में जब आपको पता चलता है and you are aware about the do and don'ts about your behavior, तो then and it can be inculcated through the education. तो आप education के through values create कर सकते हैं. And value education refer to as wide range of learning process which build the character of its subject by inculcating values like truthfulness, honesty, sincerity, integrity, righteousness, civic sense, and a respect for the principle of equality, liberty, fraternity, and compassion for all living creature. And values are the intrinsic principle which direct our action. तो अगर हमें राइट एंड रॉन्ग्स और किसी पर्सन की वैल्यूज को हम इम्प्रूव करके, वैल्यूएशन प्रोवाइड करके उसके बिहेवियर को, उसके कंडक्ट को हम राइट मैनर में सोसाइटी के बेनिफिट के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं, तो थ्रू एन वैल्यू एजुकेशन. सो नाउ टुडे टॉपिक in this particular session we are going to discuss about the value education, कि how human being can be educated by the value education के थ्रू उन्हें किस तरह से उसे एक राइट मैनर में, एक अच्छे मैनर में हम उसको अच्छी वैल्यूज इनकलकेट कर सकते हैं थ्रू एन एजुकेशन. So there are the n number of values we can inculcate in a human being, like environmental values we can inculcate valuing nature, we can inculcate values of human heritage. So what are these? We can discuss one by one. Environmental values. Every human being has a variety of feelings for the different aspect of his inner surrounding, and environmental values uh, so go beyond a value of for the river for its water, or forest for timber, and a sea for its fish. So hum environmental values are the inherent feeling that bring about the sensitivity for preserving nature as a whole. So environmental values से हम we can inculcate the value, inculcate into the person mind that this, if we value the environment, we can preserve our, we can create a sensitivity of, or we can preserve our nature, we can make the human being sensitive towards the environment. And there are the several writing and saying in the Indian thought that support this concept of oneness for all the creature, and also respecting and valuing the all the different component of the nature. So by inculcate the environmental values in a human being, we can inculcate, we can value, we can educate, we can educate people. Now talking about the next, that is a valuing nature. Every culture has its rights to exist, and tribal people are the frequently linked closely with the nature. And tribal peoples कौन होते हैं? जो कि पर्टिकुलर एरिया में जो रहने वाले लोग होते हैं, उस एरिया में, उस रीजन में रहने वाले लोगों ने ट्राइबल पीपल कहा जाता है. एंड they are closely related with the nature, and we have no right to disturb their life, and we need to appreciate their ancient and their tribal culture, and have a wisdom and knowledge of their own environment based on their deep sense of respect for the nature. तो हमें उनको वैल्यू करनी चाहिए ट्राइबल पॉपुलेशन की, तो हमें उन्हें उनकी उनकी एवरी कल्चर को हमें राइट के हैज अ राइट टू एग्जिस्ट, तो हमें उनको वैल्यू करना चाहिए. वैल्यू नेचर, अगर हमें वैल्यू नेचर को वैल्यू करना चाहिए, इस तरह के हमें वैल्यू सिस्टम इनकलकेट करनी चाहिए थ्रू ए वैल्यू एजुकेशन. नाउ द फोर्थ वैल्यू सिस्टम, दैट इज अ ह्यूमन हेरिटेज. It basically all the values which is related to the environment. Earth itself is a heritage left to us by the ancestor. तो अर्थ एक अपने में एक हेरिटेज है. हेरिटेज प्रिजर्वेशन इज नाउन अ ग्रोइंग इन्वायरमेंटल कंसर्न. तो हमें अपने अर्थ को प्रिजर्व करना, अर्थ हमारे लिए हेरिटेज है जो कि हमें हर तरह की चीज प्रोवाइड करता है. तो हमें अपने इन्वायरमेंटल कंसर्न के लिए आज ग्रोइंग इन्वायरमेंटल प्रॉब्लम एंड इशू को कंसिडर करते हुए हमें अर्थ को प्रिजर्व करना है. एंड वी शुड हैव टू बी respect our earth and its resources, and we should not be over exploit the natural resources of the environment. We should use as we want, as we need, not over exploited it. And we admire and value the natural heritage like Ajanta, Ellora caves, Taj Mahal, environmental friendly colonial building, and we have done little to actively preserve them. तो हमें उनको प्रिजर्व करना चाहिए, हमें अपनी हैबिट इस तरह की इनकलकेट करनी चाहिए कि ताकि हम अपनी वैल्यू सिस्टम में इस तरह की करें कि हम उसकी अपने ह्यूमन बीइंग के जितनी भी हमारे हेरिटेज है उनको हम प्रिजर्व करें, उसकी रिस्पेक्ट करें. ना इक्वेटल रिसोर्सेज, द इक्वेटल रिसोर्सेज इज मीन दैट it's seen as an essential aspect of the human well-being and must have shared point of view among the socially and environmental conscious individual. We need to discourage this kind of consumption and need more sustainable lives. We should have to be equitable, use the resources. We should not be exploit the resources. हमें ज़्यादा exploitation of resources, natural resources का नहीं करना चाहिए. We should have to consume the resources as we need, not we have to focus on the most sustainable lifestyle एंड सस्टेनेबल काइंड ऑफ लाइफस्टाइल को अडॉप्ट करना चाहिए. इस तरह की वैल्यू हमें इनकलकेट करनी चाहिए. एंड अनदर वैल्यू दैट वी शुड हैव टू इनकलकेट, दैट इज अ कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी रिसोर्सेज. दे आर द several common own resources that all of us use as a community, and the water are the natural recycle. The water has a recycling power, and air we all breathe, the forest, grassland which we maintain our climate and soil, also all common प्रॉपर्टी रिसोर्सेज हमारे पास. तो हमें कॉमन रिसोर्सेज जो प्रॉपर्टी है उनका यूज करना चाहिए, वो भी without exploiting this common, when without exploiting these resources, we should have to respect these common property resources and use in a appropriate manner without exploiting it. And this is essential means that sharing the power to control forest means बिटवीन द फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट एंड द लोकल पीपल, और हमें कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी को बैलेंस वे में यूज करना चाहिए. Ecological degradation in many situations, valuable ecological aspects are turned into the serious environmental problem. So we have to be considered. We have to use the ecosystem. We have to use the environmental resources in a manner that it does not degrade our environment. तो इस तरह से यूज करना चाहिए. एग्रीकल्चर पैटर्न अपनी हैबिट और अपने ऐसे वर्क में हमें फोकस करना चाहिए जिसमें इकोलॉजिकल या इन्वायरमेंटल पॉल्यूशन नहीं करना चाहिए. तो दिस काइंड ऑफ वैल्यू वी शुड हैव टू बी इनकलकेट. Last, that is a social justice. We need to respect and value the diverse aspect of the society. We should have to inculcate that kind of a value system, that we should respect should respect and value the diverse aspect of the society. And we poor are not respected as they are liking the best, respected as they are liking the best thing in life. They are rebel. So if the poor are not respected, they because they're liking their best thing in life, they will repel. They will involve in some kind of a terrorism kind of activity, and the developing world will face a crisis. So we have to maintain the social justice while doing any kind of activity, or we should have to inculcate that habit that we should have to respect we have to do the social justice unless we protect the right of a people. तो हमें साथ ही साथ हमें राइट, पुअर पीपल के राइट को मेंटेन करना है, उनको सोशल जस्टिस प्रोवाइड करना है. तो दीज आर द थिंग्स आई हैव डिस्कस ओवर हियर. ये सब वो वैल्यू सिस्टम है जो कि एज ए वैल्यू एजुकेशन में हमें ऐड करने हैं इन ऑर्डर टू प्रोटेक्ट अवर इन्वायरमेंट. तो बेसिकली मैंने आपको वो सब वैल्यूज बताई जो इनकलकेट करने चाहिए एक इंसान को, ताकि हम इन्वायरमेंट को सेव कर सके और एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग डू एंड डोंट्स के बारे में रूल्स एंड स्टैंडर्ड एंड प्रिंसिपल सेट कर सके in order to live a new, or you can say that in order to live a new sustainable way of life. Thank you, my dear student.